Hi, this is Alex from Beech Hill Garage. On offer we've got this delightful old English white MGB Roadster. It's a 1966 model. As you can see, sat on chrome wire wheels. Lovely black leather with white piping, which I'm guessing would probably have been the original colour scheme for the car. Cars come to us from a small collection. Gentleman's owned the car for a little while. Company's is Mark II midget. Been all round the bodyworks, all very clean, straight, tidy. Nice usable car, this one. Good enough to show, but not so nice that you'd be fine to park it in the pub car park. Nice clean straight seams. Hood's in good condition too. Looks like it's a mohair item. I was saying the black leather with the white trim. Nice to see an original steering wheel as well. All very clean and tidy. Car feels very lively, so maybe an uprated engine of some sort. But yeah, it really did go very well on test. As you'd expect, car is fitted with overdrive. Clearly been a club member's car in the past. Car's warmed up, and as you can see, it's oil pressure's good. Ticking over quite happily. Usefully, it's got a Kenlow fan fitted. A little bit of wear on the seats, but nothing major. Decent carpets, period correct door trims, which is good to see, and also an intact radio grille, which is also good to see. So there you have it. Overall, a really nice, clean, tidy example. Quite rare in old English white. Most of the ones we see these days are red and green, but no, it's good to see. Good to see when in white, as I say. Any questions at all? Please do get in contact with us at Beech Hill Garage. And thank you for watching.